This is unit number 2, video 14, oxygen-containing acids. If an acid contains oxygen, we're going to name it differently than acids that do not contain oxygen. The only binary acid that could contain oxygen is H2O, and we know we named that water, so we're not going to name that as an acid. So what we're looking at now are acids of polyatomic ions. So all, or not all, but most of our polyatomic ions contain oxygen. The ones that do will have an acid, and that acid we're going to name using specific rules. So let's think about those rules. If I have sulfate, which is SO4 -2, it can make an acid. That acid, since hydrogen is +1, is going to be H2SO4. The way we name that acid is, if there's oxygen present, we do not use the prefix hydro. So we can just write hydro here and cross that out. We do not use the prefix hydro anytime the acid contains oxygen. So we're going to ask, what is our polyatomic ion? In this case, it's sulfate. Well, there's two rules. If the polyatomic ion is an 8 ion, then we're going to use ic. If the polyatomic ion is an 8 ion, then we're going to use us. So we'll take the element that creates the polyatomic ion, in this case sulfur, no hydro, and then since this is an 8, we'll put ic on it, and then the word acid. Okay. If I had H3PO3, PO3, there's our polyatomic ion. So if I mark out my hydrogens, I'll see my polyatomic ion. Phosphate is PO4, so this is phosphite. So phosphite is PO3. Contains oxygen, so I'm not going to use hydro. Ite becomes us. So this is phos for us acid. Okay? If I had the name, in the case of chloric acid, then I should be able to work backwards and say, okay, if the name contains ic and there's no hydro, it's a polyatomic ion that ends in 8. That's chlorate. Chlorate is ClO3 -1. We know the acid is H+, so we've got a +1 -1, and chloric acid is HClO3.